Okay, Microsoft has announced on its blog what the Windows 8 versions are going to be once Microsoft releases the final version of Windows 8. And the first one we're going to talk about is Windows RT, is for ARM-based tablets and PCs. It's also going to include touch-optimized desktop version Microsoft Office. Now, this can't be purchased. It has to be pre-installed only for those devices. And I kind of talked about this before. The desktop version is really not optimized for touch-based tablets, and in this case PCs perhaps, but it will have to me some limited functionality, and in some instances it will be useful. Of course, the Windows 8 version for the consumer based end user, mom, pop, grandma, and grandpa, that's what I say. Okay, they're also going to have a Windows 8 Pro version for power users and business, and which is going to include BitLocker to go encryption, EFS encrypted file system, for instance. And they are going to supposedly have also something called Windows 8 Enterprise. And it's for IT organizations that enable PC management and deployment, advanced security, virtualization, and mobility scenarios, I guess for like Windows 8 Pro and perhaps even ARM-based tablets. I'm just guessing on that one. Now, this actually came from Bruce Naylor of Frugal Tech. Before, with like Vista and Windows 8, they had so many versions. To me, that really confuses the end user, which one to get and what features. And so it does seem that they did narrow it down a lot more to the basic 3, or really 4th with Enterprise. But if you really think about it, it's really going to narrow it down to 2, especially for the PC, Windows 8 and Windows 8 Pro, which is a good thing. Less people having to worry about getting the wrong version. Really, Windows RT and Windows 8 Enterprise is kind of a niche type of group. In a way, it should be it kind of separates it off from the two main ones. And now, it's also notable that the desktop version is going to be included for all 3 versions. And I'm kind of wondering if the desktop version is also going to include something like Metro, which is in this case would be Windows RT. Like I said, I hoping they're going to separate the 2 operating systems and try not to integrate, especially with the desktop. You could probably get away with it with Windows RT, a desktop version on that one, but not so much the desktop version. But that's going to be interesting to see in the future when it finally rolls out.